Hey everyone, it's Susie McCrae. Today is Monday, October 27th. Hope you're having a magnificent day. I know I am. And I was thinking about something I wanted to share with you. So, as Victory with Ash starts to evolve, and soon people are onboarded into Victory with Ash, I started thinking about what a great thing this is going to do. And this is what I was thinking. And it's probably things you've been thinking, and maybe people have expressed this on their YouTube, but I just wanted to share my thoughts. As we start to develop ourselves, learn new things, maybe posture ourselves differently, um, be more business minded, be able to speak better with people, be able to interact. Ash had mentioned about how the tricks of learning and remembering people's names, all of those things as a representation out in the world of the big, bold, beautiful shared dream that we're going to enter. So I was thinking, how nice is this? Yeah, we're going to get in there. We're going to learn things. We're going to learn about the business. But just think about the effect all of us can have in our community, in our circles, with other people, how we're interacting. And that's going to rub off. That's going to rub off, and people are going to notice, and they are going to see changes within us, changes on the outside, on the inside. I'm really, really excited about that because what an opportunity Mr. Mufar is giving us to enter in here and to marinate, absorb, get out there and continue to be the best versions of ourselves and to represent this wonderful new company that we're getting ready to enter. So I read something today, and you'll put the pieces together why I'm reading it to you. So forgive me for reading. I can't remember all the words. As I said in one of my previous videos, I am a New England Patriots football fan. I've been with them through their ups and downs, and they are doing very well this season, but it doesn't matter. I'm engaged with them. I support them. I'm a loyal fan. I really like their new coach, Mike Vrabel, because I think he has set a really high bar and a good standard in the culture of the team. And some of you may know this happened over the weekend, but there's a point in this. Patriots young star suspended after disrespectful behavior toward a female janitor. Coach Mike Vrabel sends strong message about respect culture in the team. Respect culture in the team. What is the respect that we give to each other? Okay. So I'm not going to read the whole thing. This young rookie disappeared from the roster. People are wondering. According to multiple internal sources, the incident occurred on Tuesday evening, right after the main practice session. When the players had left, an elderly female janitor was cleaning the locker room area when this rookie walked in. During the conversation, he made an indecent joke that was offensive, leaving the woman confused. But what was unexpected was that Coach Mike Vrabel was passing through the hallway at the exact moment. He heard the entire statement, stopped, and looked at this rookie and said, without a word, coldly, "Tomorrow I want to see you in the meeting room earlier than anyone else." So he summoned the entire team in, and he said, wearing the Patriots logo is not just an honor, it is a responsibility. We fight for victory. There's that word victory. But we must know to appreciate the people who quietly stand behind it. The women in the building have worked tirelessly to keep the team running. They deserve respect like anyone on the field. If a man cannot understand that, then he has not understood the true meaning of becoming a patriot. Right after the meeting, Vrabel made the decision for discipline, benched him. You know, he was not allowed to play in that game. And he said, no one said a word. Everyone understood. It wasn't because he was angry, but because he wanted us, the team, to learn something bigger than football. So this rookie ended up apologizing to the janitor. She accepted it, but you know what? Vrabel still stood by suspending him. Okay. He said in New England, talent can get you on the field, but character it is what makes you worthy of wearing the Patriots uniform. Talent can get you on the field, but character is what makes you worthy of wearing the Patriots uniform. Thinking about that as we enter, okay? Yeah, we all have different talents. There's all different people who have been on this journey, all different levels of contribution, all doing little pieces that has made it what it is, okay? But character and integrity are number one. And you know what? I truly believe Mr. Ash Mufareh is raising the bar on that. He is going to oversee all of that. And as all of us enter into Victory with Ash, we have to be mindful of that too. We do not want that kind of stuff representing who we are. So it was just a little analogy I wanted to share with you. I thought it was very powerful. I really like how Coach Mike Vrabel is sticking to his guns and only asking for the very top integrity and character. And that's what Mr. Ash Mufareh is doing as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you all have a great day and we'll be talking soon. Mwah.